Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a picture move in CapCut. So if you want to edit your photo and you want to make it move, it's actually pretty easy. You can use keyframes or you can also use the photo effects or style on CapCut. So here I'm going to show you first on the effects or style. So if you click on the photo, you'll find style. And in here, to make the photo move, you can use the photo slinky or the camera bounce or also the 3D zoom pro. So this is the photo slinky. So your photo will move like this, and this is for the camera bounce. Okay, it's pretty the same. It's actually the same. And this is for the camera shake, like that. And the last one is the 3D zoom effect. Okay, this one. Okay, you can see the 3D zoom will move your photo slowly like that. Okay, if you want to use keyframe, you can also do that by adding a keyframe and then maybe zoom the photo in like this, then move forward and move the photo to the left or right. That's up to you. You can just move it in any direction, in any random direction, and your photo will move like so. Okay, so that's some tips for me. I hope it will be helpful. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.